So, I want to say something about the concept of human rights and the recent attacks on the Human Rights Act and the European Convention by conservative politicians. First, these apparently outrageous decisions, for example, not deporting someone who'll be tortured, they're a feature, not a bug of the system. That's the system working as it should be. And why is that? Well, it's because human rights principles limit the power that a state has over a person. So they're designed to protect the most hated people in society, the people that society would otherwise abuse. And as such, they're meant to produce decisions that populist politicians and newspapers will find frustrating and offensive. And if you find the decisions frustrating and offensive, well, think on that. Maybe human rights laws are designed to protect the lowest in society from you as well. And rather, if a politician gets your vote by promising to abuse the most hated and vulnerable people in society, then human rights laws will stop that, and this is a good thing. Now, second, the fact that these politicians are attacking human rights laws means that the laws they've made are actually quite effective. In other parts of the world, many countries who have on paper committed to human rights do not spend much time complaining about the laws because they just ignore them. By contrast, the fact that politicians in the UK feel the need to complain means that the check on their power is genuine. Just think, a politician is complaining that we cannot send a person to another country to be tortured. The rule of law stops him or her from doing that, and that's good, and we should be proud. Now, finally, the existence of these frustrating decisions actually makes me feel safe, because if a hook-handed hate preacher gets a fair trial and due process and the benefit of the human rights laws, then that means me and my friends and my family will definitely get a fair trial should we ever come into contact with the law. And that makes me feel quite safe.